This weekend, we saw two of the highest COVID-19 case numbers on record in Texas. Saturday marking the highest numbers and Sunday the second highest. 4,000 new cases recorded in 24 hours. That includes 17 new deaths. Arizona, Nevada, and Texas seeing rapid increases. Governor Abbott will address those increases at 2 p.m. and how Texas is responding. You can see that on air and online at khou.com. And at last check, ICU beds are running at about 90% capacity in Harris County. That is according to Houston's health department. The county's new mask order now in effect. Anieli Ruiz shows us what that means for you.
We've done it before. We can do it again.
The order was signed Friday by Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo, and those businesses that don't comply with the order could face up to a $1,000 fine. Hidalgo said the main focus is education and not fines. Local leaders say it's the responsibility of the business to make sure employees and customers wear masks. It's just like a no shirt, no shoes, no service policy. Hidalgo says law enforcement agencies will decide how to police the ordinance, and members of the public can report a business that is in violation. Violating businesses will first get an equivalent of a warning. After that, they will face a $1,000 fine for each offense. The order will last until June 30th, the same time the county's disaster declaration is set to expire. Hidalgo says she expects to meet with county commissioners about extending the declaration and the mask order. Now, this order includes businesses like gyms and restaurants. Yes, even when you enter a restaurant, you can remove the mask when you sit down to eat. But if you get up to go to the bathroom or walk around, you need to be wearing a mask. Anieli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.
On Thursday, Metro will be voting on its own mask rules for employees and passengers at Houston's airports. You must wear a mask if you are over the age of 10 at all terminals. And Fort Bend County Judge KP George asking residents to fill out a survey about facial coverings in the county. Meantime, the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission has suspended alcohol permits for 12 bars in the state, including 2 in the Houston area. It is for a violation of social distancing rules. That includes Handlebar Houston on Washington Avenue and Barge 295 in the Seabrook. Both are losing their permit for the next 30 days. TABC tweeting out this picture from Saturday night. You can see people packed inside the bar. Bars should only be operating at 50% capacity. Undercover officers in Operation Safe Open reporting that most bars they have checked are following social distancing guidelines. An Alcohol to Go launched when restaurants shut down dining areas during quarantine, but it could become permanent. The Texas Restaurants Association also asking to expand the governor's emergency waiver to allow restaurants to give sealed pre-mixed drinks. Right now, only manufacturer-sealed liquor, typically with mix kits, are allowed. Struggling restaurant owners and the governor support the idea. Lawmakers could make it a legislative change in the next session.